Our market continues to develop in a complex corrective pattern. In fact, that's something that we are noticing across different markets. Even if you look at the US over the last couple of years, each leg appears corrective but continues to extend. You're also seeing that in commodities on the way up, again on the way down, and now again this pullback rally from June, July appeared to be a corrective pattern. You saw a sell-off in the last 2 months, which is also appearing so far as ABC. If it does eventually turn out to be an impulse, then it would mean something else altogether. But so far, if it's an ABC, then the entire move from July could end up being a larger 3 up, 3 down, and you could be looking at an impulse up. Now, this continues to create confusion because when you try to make big picture forecasting, it can go wrong, and therefore the right thing to do in this type of a complex market is look at the near-term structure as and when a 5-wave or a 3-wave complete, look at a counter trend move and learn to trail that moves, because you really don't know whether you're going to be looking at another 3-wave or another impulse in that direction, depending on whether it's going to be a consolidation pattern or a trend pattern. And that's why trading markets or range bound markets can be a completely different animal than trending bull or bear markets. And I think that's what we've seen over the last couple of years across the equity and commodity segments. Now that takes us to what is really happening in our own market. I wrote a long short report recently, and all the targets come up near 59.50 or higher, and at that point we would retrace around 78%. Now there's an interesting cycle that we've seen, a 2-year cycle over the last couple since 2008, and that's the 2008 IBs dropped in the months of July and August, and you got a market rally on expanding volatility through the month of September. In 2008 it extended. Once that rally was done, the market continued to move up and down in gyrations all the way to January, in which mid-caps did exceedingly well. Again in 2010, 2 years later, we got a similar September rally which expanded on volatility on the way up. That did not continue till January, but only till sometime in November, around Diwali time, and we saw a top there. And now 2 years later, in 2012, we've again seen a similar September rally on. It started on low volatility, and now we are like a week away from Diwali in November. So is this cycle really going to play out as something we would watch out for over the next week or so as we get closer to the target range, or will it really extend into January on the back of activity in the secondary market, that is mid caps and small caps? So that's something that would be close to watch. But it's an interesting cycle, especially because we've seen markets rallying into Diwali and topping over the last three years, and that's a trend that was not existent earlier. This would mostly be a consolidation period or a bottom, and the first time we started seeing tops since 2010, so 10, 11, and this is in fact also 2009, at least a near-term high occurred around there. So 2009, 10, 11, that's 3 years that we've seen that kind of a pattern. And we have the 2-year cycle also kicking in after the market's been in an upward trend for almost 11 months. So those are the things that we're going to be watching out for in the next couple of weeks. Along with that, whether the commodity rally ends up being only a retracement, because we've seen 5-wave declines in copper and gold